The history of the tiger is as rich and complex as the forests and grasslands it once roamed. Tigers, members of the Panthera genus, have captivated human imagination for centuries. With their majestic appearance and fearsome reputation, from ancient mythology to modern conservation efforts, tigers have left an indelible mark on human culture and ecology. To explore their history, we must journey through time, tracing their evolution, interactions with humans, and ongoing struggles for survival. Evolution in early history. Tigers belong to the Felidae family, which emerged around 10–15 million years ago. Fossil evidence suggests that the earliest ancestors of tigers roamed Asia, spreading from there to other parts of the world. The modern tiger, Panthera tigris, likely evolved around 2 million years ago in Eastern Asia. During the Pleistocene epoch, tigers were widespread across Asia, from Turkey to eastern Russia and down to the islands of Indonesia. They shared their habitats with other large predators such as lions, bears, and hyenas. Fossil evidence indicates that ancient tigers were larger and more diverse than their contemporary counterparts, with some species weighing over 1,000 pounds. Cultural significance. Through a Husta story, tigers have held a prominent place in the mythology, folklore, and art of the regions they inhabit. In many Asian cultures, the tiger symbolizes power, strength, and royalty. It is often depicted as a guardian or deity, revered for its ferocity and beauty. In Chinese mythology, the tiger is one of the 4 sacred animals and represents the West and autumn. It is associated with courage, protection, and the yin energy. In Hinduism, the tiger is a symbol of the goddess Durga and is believed to be her Vahana, or divine mount. Tigers also feature prominently in Korean, Japanese, and Southeast Asian folklore, often portrayed as both benevolent and fearsome beings. Human interaction. The relationship between humans and tigers has been fraught with conflict and coexistence. As human populations expanded, tiger habitats shrank, leading to increased encounters and competition for resources. Tigers, as apex predators, play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems. However, they have also been perceived as threats to livestock and human safety, leading to widespread hunting and persecution. Historically, tigers were hunted for their skins, bones, and other body parts, which were believed to have medicinal or magical properties in traditional Asian medicine. Tiger hunting reached its peak during the colonial era, when European rulers and hunters engaged in trophy hunting expeditions across Asia.